Uber is going to be looking at several different ways to try to bring costs down and make it more reliable for riders. Even though there is a driver shortage, how are they going to do that? Are they going to bring back UberPOOL? Are they looking at it? Are they gearing up? Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And today we're going to be discussing UberPOOL. And Uber might be gearing to bring it back sooner than you think. So what you see on the screen right now is a screenshot taken from a post on Reddit. And you can see that it looks like UberPOOL might be making a comeback. Now, not only that, here's a screenshot from an LA market showing you what it really looks like, but it doesn't show UberPOOL yet. So the big question is Uber looking to gear up to bring UberPOOL back? And if so, how much longer until they flip that switch? Now, if you're not familiar with UberPOOL, essentially what it is, it's rideshare with other people. So it's like a public transportation in a rideshare vehicle. So essentially you're taking one or two people per trip, and you could take multiple people on the route going to the same direction. Now, some drivers say it's not good, while other drivers don't mind it because it can help them get to bonuses quicker. But one of the big things with UberPOOL is you can't toggle it on or off. But in the screenshot, it might look like you might be able to start being able to toggle it on or off. Now, this is something that drivers have been asking for since the beginning of UberPOOL. Also, one thing to note is it's not available in all markets. Luckily, I've never had to experience UberPOOL because it's never been in my market. So now let's look at some of the reasons why Uber would want to try to bring back UberPOOL as quick as possible. First off, it's going to help reduce the cost of the ride for riders, and it's also going to put more people into a car, which it kind of semi-expands the amount of drivers that are available in that area. Even though it still might be the same amount, they're able to cram more people into one car, making wait times go down a little bit, making the price go down a little bit, and making it more utilized overall. Now, with this driver shortage in full swing, riders are paying higher prices and longer wait times. So Uber is trying to do everything that they can to try to bring that down in both aspects to make it more reliable so they can get more rides in their belt in their path to profitability. UberPOOL could be the option. Now, Uber and Lyft suspended their pool and express services because of the whole pandemic. But as restrictions are loosening, as guidelines are changing, it's a very real possibility that UberPOOL will be back quicker than we think. Now, whether you enjoy Pool or not, whether you don't want to see it come back or not, one of the things that screenshot does show, and is a nice feature that I did mention before, but want to talk about again, is the ability to toggle it on and off. This is a feature that drivers have been asking for since the beginning of Pool. Many drivers don't want to take Pool or don't like it, but some do like it because of the ability to reach bonuses and promotions faster. This is something that was unable to be turned on and off prior to the pandemic. It might be something that they might be looking at as a feature going forward to be able to toggle on and off. Now, this might not be because drivers are asking for it. This might be because of either guidelines or certain restrictions that could be in place that they have the ability to turn on and off, and drivers are able to make that decision. Not only that, some drivers might be turned off altogether and turn off UberX and Pool if that's the case, which could create less drivers on the road on UberX and Pool if that's the case. Now, that's speculation. I'm not sure if something like that would happen, but why would they be bringing that on now versus before when drivers have been asking for it since the beginning of UberPOOL? Now, that screenshot was taken from Reddit, so who knows exactly what had happened, whether that's a glitch, whether that's something that's going to pop up on app. We are not sure yet, but we're asking you, have you seen this in your driver app? Are you able to see UberPOOL yet? Comment below and let us know. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button or ring the bell for notifications yet, make sure you do, because if there are any updates to UberPOOL, whether you're able to toggle it on and off and we're able to find out about it, what markets this might be coming to, as well as when they do actually flip the switch for UberPOOL to come back on, we will make updates and let you know exactly what's going on. Not only that, but all of the other videos that will help make you a better rideshare driver, a better gig worker, and help make you more money with less work. All right, everyone, drive safe.